know very well that function is the equation between independent variable x and dependent variable y. Now this equation, for this equation, I can always plot a graph. And if this graph has a break somewhere, then we say that function is discontinuous. I repeat, suppose if I see this algebraic function, this is the equation for the algebraic function. Now I can always draw a graph for this. Say for value of x from 1 to 5. I can draw a graph. Now if this graph has a break in between, then the function is discontinuous. So this is the graphical checking method of continuity. Every time it is not possible to draw the graph for infinite points, so the analytical method is like this. What we do, we check the continuity at a point from two different directions and at a point. जैसे कि let me take one small example before I discuss the analytical method. This is the velocity function. Y is the velocity and x is the time. The domain, that is the values of x, is between 1 to 5. Which domain is the values of x and codomain is the value of y. So our value of x is between 1 to 5. X is the time. Say the driver is moving from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Now I want to check whether at 3 o'clock he has taken a tea break. So what I will do, I will check the velocity at 2:59. 2:59 minute 59 seconds पे. इसका मतलब x tends to 3 from negative side. I will check the velocity at 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock, that is 3:01 minute पे, मतलब x tends to 3 from positive side. So I want to check whether he is continuous at point 3. So I check the three values. 3 from negative side, 3 from positive side. If all these three values are equal, then yes, driver has not taken any break and the function is continuous. So if I write down it in the general form, if I want to check the continuity at point A, then I will check the three values. Limit of fx as x tends to a from negative side, f of a, and limit of fx as x tends to a from positive side. If all these three values are equal, then the function is continuous. Is the concept clear? I summarize. If in a graph there is a break, then function is said to be discontinuous. To check the continuity at point A, check the three values. A from negative side, at A, and A from positive side. If all these three values are equal, then the function is continuous. Two types of questions are being asked on continuity. First, checking the continuity at a point, and second, they have given you the function continuous and we have to find out the values of the constants. Are you understanding two types of questions? First, checking the continuity, and second, finding the values of the constants. Is it clear to you? Right? Now let's come to our first star sum. The first exercise 3 का second question है ये. Function is given as x square plus x plus 2 where x is between and including 2 and 4. that is 3x plus 4 when x is between 4 and 6. I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 4. This is the question here I have written down on the board. I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 4. Now between 2 and 4, between the values of x as 2 and 4, these are the values, this is the value of y. So when x takes the values from 4 to 6, this is the function. So the total domain is from 2 to 6. Which are you understanding what is domain? Domain is a set of values of x. Now I want to check at x is equal to 4. Which is the question clear in totality? Now solution starts. In continuity, the very first step is identify the function. X at 4, I want to check the continuity. If we check here x is less than 4, means x tends to 4 from negative side. X is equal to 4, so this function is also equal to f of 4. Am I clear? X is less than 4, so x tends to 4 from negative side. Also equal to 4, so f of 4. Here x is greater than 4, so x tends to 4 from positive side. So in continuity, the very first step is check the function. Now in continuity you have to solve small problems of limits. If the values are equal, then the function is said to be continuous. So let's check. Limit of fx as x tends to 4 from negative side, this value is same as f of 4. X tends to 4 from negative side is same as that of 4. What is the function given? X square plus x plus 2. Now this small sum of limit had to be solved. There is no denominator. So we have to just substitute and get the answer. 4 square 16 plus 4, 20 plus 2, 22. So for x tends to 4 from negative side, the value is 22. Now let's check the value as x tends to 4 from positive side. Limit of fx as x tends to 4 from positive side. From positive side the function is 3x plus 4. Let's substitute the value. 4 3s are 12 plus 4 16. So these two values are unequal. The first value is 22, second value is 16. The unequal, therefore function is discontinuous. So your final statement will be limit of fx as x tends to 4 from negative side is not equal to limit of fx as x tends to 4 from positive side, hence the function is discontinuous. Checking continuity question is clear, right? I summarize. First, understand the question well. Between 2 to 4, they have given you this function. Between 4 to 6, they have given you this function. And I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 4. In continuity, the very first step is identify the function. X less than 4, so 4 from negative side, f of 4. Second, x is greater than 4, so x tends to 4 from positive side. So for 4 from negative side, we have found out the value as 22. 4 from positive side, value is 16. Values are unequal, therefore function is discontinuous. 100% clearance? Let's go for the next question, that is 7th one. Function is x sine 1 upon x when x is not equal to 0 is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 0. Do you agree with me? Is the question clear? Once again, in continuity, the very first step is identify the function. X not equal to 0 means x tends to 0 from both the sides, from negative side as well as from positive side. X is equal to 0 means f of 0. So I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 0. F of 0 they have given you as 1. F of 0 they have given you as 1. Limit of fx as x tends to 0. For x tends to 0, function is being given as x sine 1 upon x. While solving this problem of limit, once again, there is no denominator. So there is no question of denominator being 0. So we'll just substitute the value of x as 0. So 0 into sine 1 upon 0. Sine 1 upon 0 is sine infinity. Sine infinity is some constant. So that constant into 0, I get the value as 0. Please check. Here the denominator is not 0. I mean to say denominator does not exist. So I have substituted the value. Replace x by 0. 1 upon 0 is infinity. Sine infinity is some constant. Some constant lying between minus 1 and 1. So 0 into constant is 0. So f of 0 is 1. Second value is 0. Now once again the function is discontinuous. So I'll write down f of 0 is equal to limit of fx. X tends to 0. These two values are not equal and hence the function is discontinuous. Is it clear? Stop it. Function is x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. When x is between 0 and 2, x plus 1 function is x plus 1 function, that is relation between y and x, between 2 and 5. I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 2. Is the question clear? See here, the domain, the values of x is between 0 to 5. So between 0 to 2, this is the function. This is the value of y. Between 2 to 5, this is the value of y. So first step in continuity is check the function. I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 2. So x less than 2, x tends to 2 from negative side. X is greater than 2, x tends to 2 from positive side. And can you see equal to 2? So it is f of 2. So the two values are being defined by same function. Now I am going to solve these two problems of limits. So limit of fx as x tends to 2 from negative side. The function is being given as x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. X square minus 4 has factors x minus 2, x plus 2. So x minus 2 gets cancelled. What remains is x plus 2. So let's replace x by 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Do you agree with me? Let's come for this function now. That's limit of fx as x tends to 2 from positive side and f of 2. Both the values are same. So limit of fx as x tends to 2 from positive side, function is defined as x plus 1. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. Once again, these two values are unequal and hence the function is discontinuous. Are you understanding this? Checking the continuity is just checking the values after solving the two small sums of limits. Am I clear? बच्चे एकदम बराबर से समझ में आ रहा है? एक बार फिर से देख लो. I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 2. बच्चों x less than 2 means x tends to 2 from negative side. X is greater than 2 means x tends to 2 from positive side and f of 2. So 2 from negative side, function is x square minus 4, x minus 2 gets cancelled, remains is x plus 2, replace x by 2, I get the value as 4. 2 from positive side and f of 2, both the values are same, which is being defined by the function x plus 1. Replace x by 2, you get the value as 3. So the values are unequal, function is discontinuous. While writing down, write down properly. Fx as x tends to 2 from negative side is not equal to fx as x tends to 2 from positive side. The function is discontinuous. Now, the question number 13th one. Function is x square minus 4x plus 3 upon x square minus 1. X is not equal to plus or minus 1. That is equal to 2. X is equal to plus or minus 1. I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 1. Right? Is the question clear? I want to check the continuity at x is equal to 1.